over the years, we've seen many people who had been diagnosed as having dyslexia or learning disabilities who were actually experiencing disruptions to the normal reflexes involved in the sensory organs. This can often be related to a bite problem because of the potential to disturb the natural movement of the bones within the face and the skull, affecting the muscles that move the eye, affecting the coordination of these muscles, affecting the integration of sensory information coming from the eye to the brain, having to be filtered out by the brain because there's also stress being experienced as the eyes are moving. Or same thing would happen with sounds being heard. And so simple tests we can use with muscle reflex testing, just having a person moving their eyes to the right, to the left, up, down, to see is there a weakness occurring in the reflex system when the eyes are moving this way. And when we see that, it's readily correctable by correcting the bite and the misalignment in the bones in the skull.